Welcome to Spartan Equipment. Thanks for joining us today. Today I want to talk to you about our skid steer loader tree shears. These are tree shears that open up that can get around a 12-inch diameter tree. So that would be the maximum diameter that you're going to be able to cut down, which is substantial. But with the opening, as you're shown right now, they're fully open. You can get around a 12-inch tree and simply cut right through it and push it over with the push bar rack. So we've made these headache racks for that purpose. They're very stout, very strong, and they're made to push the tree away from the operator compartment, obviously for safety. We're going to start with our fixed base unit. This would be our most economically priced. This is our starting point. You cannot rotate it. It's just simply a fixed base unit that you go up to a tree and cut it off. It's very practical. The price point's excellent. It comes standard with the hydraulic hoses and the flat face half-inch couplers. The cutting blade is 1 inch thick, AR 400 abrasive steel. So that cutting edge will give you a lot of cuts before you would have to ever sharpen it, replace it. It's a substantial blade. The hydraulic cylinder on these, all of them have a 5-inch bore stroke, 2-inch diameter rod with a 12-inch stroke. So again, very heavy duty hydraulic cylinder with a tremendous amount of force to get through most any type of tree to cut it down. On the right side of the arm, you'll see there's a claw clevis there that bolts on top and bottom. That's made to grab into the tree and hold it while you're cutting into it, and then you can push it over. There's one main grease point on these at the kingpin right here. But other than that, they're pretty maintenance free, and they could take a tremendous amount of abuse. Rotating over to this one, this is the same exact style as the first one, only it has a manual pull pin in the center that you could pull the center pin out and rotate it manually into an upright position. Now what that permits you to do, in addition to cutting a tree off at the base, you can now prune limbs with it and raise your skid steer load arms up accordingly, you know, depending on how high your machine goes, 10 feet or what have you, and prune limbs. So that's a great option to give you another application rather than just cutting trees off at the base and pushing them over. You can manually rotate this unit and prune with it as well. So everything else is the same. AR 400 1-inch blade on the cutter. The 5-inch cylinder on that is the same. The hoses and the couplers come standard with this one as well. The final unit that I want to talk about is the hydraulic rotating unit. So this unit does everything the other two do, but it permits you to rotate the unit without exiting the cab. So you'll see the hydraulic cylinder here for the rotation of the unit, and how the rotation is accomplished is simply several ways, but this is the most common way. It's a standard toggle switch. And basically this toggle switch has magnets on it. So you can put it in your cab next to the operator station, simply toggle the switch, and it'll take the hydraulic oil from the cylinder that cuts the tree off to the cylinder that rotates. So you rotate the unit into the position you want, toggle the switch back off, which will send the oil back to the cylinder. Now this setup here, direct wires to the battery terminal, the hot and ground lead. However, we offer a 12-volt adapter that you can plug in to your 12-volt source in the cab of your machine, which most modern skid steers have a 12-volt outlet in the cab, so you can get it live that way. The final options are a 14-pin Deutsche plug. There's also the Bobcat 7-pin harness kit that we offer, or an 8-pin Deutsche harness. So we do have other options. That way you can plug into your machine's electric over hydraulic function switch, and then you can use the joystick buttons within your cab to do the rotation. So that's the cleanest way. And if you have the electrical control kit on your machine, just select that before you cart out on this one, which harness kit you have, and then we'll ship it to you. But again, 3 excellent options with 3 different price points. You can buy these online directly from Spartan Equipment at spartanequipment.com. I want to thank you again for spending a few minutes with us today, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.